About 3 million teens in the U.S. and Canada wear braces, and a growing number of adults do too, even seniors. Local orthodontist says seniors will get braces not just for cosmetic reasons, but also to improve the gums and bones around the teeth. Dr. Maria Simbra has more.
It's not who you would expect at the orthodontist's.
A lot of them probably figure I'm here with my grandchildren.
For lots of people, braces are a rite of passage. But it's not just for teenagers anymore.
A lot of my friends were having dental problems. They were losing teeth to periodontal disease, decay, poor alignment. So a lot of them were opting to have dentures. And that really wasn't something I was interested in doing. So I thought I was going to make the best do with what I had.
Her tooth crowding caused problems with cleaning. So at 62, Carol Bardos decided to get braces. She says no pain so far, though she will need to have a tooth pulled.
Frequently, the patients have missed the opportunity as a child, and they're finding that their peers are accepting the treatment and that braces are kind of a cool thing to do.
Appearance is part of it too, you know. I think no matter what your age, you like to look as good as you can. So I think it's the thing to do.
Treatment of adults is very much a trend.
Especially with traditional invisible and removable options available now. No matter which you pick, the teeth get moved and the bones get reshaped. In a person who is done growing, the process is a little slower.
Average time in braces is 1.5 to 2 years, even with adults. But as a general statement, we might anticipate another 6 months longer in treatment with adults.
You need to be careful about getting this done if you take certain drugs for thinning bones or if you have diabetes, which can lead to gum disease or periodontal disease.
And then you start moving teeth in the presence of periodontal disease, and then complications can occur.
Complications like tooth loss. In many cases, insurance doesn't cover braces for seniors.
I'm probably his only patient who's paying for this with her Social Security check.
Costs can run from $1,000 to $8,000 depending on what you have done. I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA TV News.